channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Esther. Nice to meet you. I do makeup videos, hauls, vlogs, pretty much everything you can get on the channel, so please don't forget to subscribe. So today's video is going to be a drugstore makeup tutorial because I have a lot of drugstore makeup that I use, and I decided to incorporate into a very just simple makeup tutorial for you guys to use every day. It's a very simple look, something I would do every day, and normally I won't use drugstore, but for the sake of this video, I decided to whip them out and show you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get started. So the first drugstore product we are going to use is the CoverGirl Outlet Foundation, and this is an amazing foundation. It's only $10, and we're just going to blend that in with a beauty blender. Now we're going to use the Wet n Wild concealer. This is the new Photo Focus concealer, and this is only $4 at the drugstore. To set this makeup, we are going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder, and this is only $8 at the drugstore. And now for blush, we're going to use a Wet n Wild product again, and this is the Color Iconic Blush, and this is only, again, $3 at the drugstore. And now for the highlighting part, we're going to use the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is the last Wet n Wild product we are using, and this is $5 at the store. And for eyes, we're going to use the Cargo Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in the palette Around the World. I don't think this palette is available anymore, but I think they normally range for like $10 to $30 is what I looked up online, but I will leave the link for them down below. And now for mascara, we're going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and this is $8 at the drugstore. And lastly, for lipstick, we are going to use a Revlon lipstick, and this is $9 at the drugstore, and this is how you use drugstore makeup for a everyday makeup look. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you can give a big thumbs up, do so right now. Subscribe down below for more videos, and I will see you guys in another makeup video vlog. Who knows what's gonna be next? You guys just have to subscribe and see. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.